As you guys can see, I'm currently sunburnt. This was probably not the best choice of shirt, but try to ignore it. Anyway, getting to the actual point of this video. Hello guys, it's Hannah and Happy New Year to everybody. Because it is now 2018 and a new year has just begun, it is currently the season for setting goals and New Year's resolutions and things like that, and I thought I would share my 18 goals for 2018 with you guys to give you a little inspiration for things that you might want to achieve this year, things that you might want to set as your New Year's resolution, anything like that. I love these videos because I feel like they're super motivating and they just get me to kind of want to go out there and actually set goals and stick to them and things like that. So, hopefully you guys found this video motivating and it gives you a couple ideas for things that you want to set as your goals. So, without further ado, let's get into this video. So the first goal that I set is to become completely and utterly content with myself this year. I'm definitely the most confident I've ever been right now, but I think every single person in the world has something that they can work on and something that they can become happier with, so I definitely want to focus more on that this year. One of my biggest goals this year is to upload more than I ever have, so that's in terms of my vlog channel and my main channel. I just feel like I've been lacking the past year and I want to get back to working hard. My third goal is to not let people walk all over me. I'm pretty good at this, but I want to improve on it because I'm also really quick to do things for people if they want favors and stuff like that. Number 4 is to spend more time with people that care and spend less time with people that don't. Pretty self-explanatory. I just hate putting effort into things and not getting anything back. Number 5 is to do 5 things that I have never done before. This year I did things like parasailing, and it's something super random, but it's definitely an experience that I won't forget. So I just want to do new things. In 2018, I want to read more. I'm very bad in the way that I'll read a ton for a week and then not at all for 2 months, and I just want to make it more of a consistent thing. I need to prioritize sleep. It's something that I very quickly cut out of my schedule. I'll be studying, talking to someone, anything like that, and I'm like, whatever, I'll go to bed an hour later. And I need to not do that because sleep is important for your health. Doing more random acts of kindness is so important to me and it makes me feel good inside, so definitely want to apply that to my life more. Number 9 is kind of random, but I really want to get involved in more school activities. I was recently part of a play, which you most likely already know, and I just love the experience of doing that, so getting involved in something else like that would be great. I want to get my abs back. I know it's stereotypical to have a fitness goal, but I need to set one because in summer, I was really toned, I felt really good about my body, and I just haven't been working out anymore, so I need to get back into a routine. Kind of going along with the fitness thing, I want to start Pilates. I feel like it's kind of a mom thing, but I don't know, I think it sounds interesting, and me and my friend have been talking about it for a while, so we just need to actually organize it and start going. Number 12 is to take more time for self-care. That applies to me doing small things like painting my nails, taking a bath, whatever, and also just thinking about life, being more grateful, and worrying about mental health. Another one of my bigger ones is spending more time with family. I tend to be in my room a lot, and I really want to do something on the weekly basis just with my parents, my family, whether that's doing a family movie night, playing a board game, whatever it is. Maybe a little more than halfway through the year of 2017, I realized that being positive is such an important part of life, and that's another one of my goals this year. Number 15 is to stop procrastinating as much. I'm trying my best to cut the habit. I also need to spend less time online. I'm thinking about doing like a one-day detox every month, something along the lines of that, just because I'm on my phone and my laptop way too much. Also, in terms of me spending a lot of time in my room, I want to get off my butt and make more memories, because me laying in bed and watching Gossip Girl or Criminal Minds or whatever it is, it's probably not something that I'm going to remember that much. And finally, I want to make 2018 the best year I have ever had. And that is it for all the goals I set. I know it seems like a lot, but they're definitely ones that I'm prioritizing more than others, and I just hope this gave you some ideas for goals that you may want to set. I am so excited for 2018, so get ready for the best and the most content that you guys have ever received from me, and I hope that you guys are excited as well. I love you all to the moon and back, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! In 2018, I want to be less cringy. Also, continuation from my last video, I ate too much curry and now my braces are permanently stained yellow. Yes. I ain't switching up, I ain't changing up with the same ones I started with.